What's up, everybody? On today's video, I'm heading north on 45. Well, I'm about to get 45 and head north towards Spring. There's a guy that he's selling a dash that fits my truck, the green Silverado. He said it's not cracked, but it is kind of peeling on the paint. But I don't really care about the paint because I could just get that done up later. And he wants 50 bucks. So I'm like, man, I'll meet you right now. So I'm heading that way. He also has some folding mirrors with the turn signal and all that, but I don't really care about the mirrors. I really just want the dash, because look how bad mine is. It's pretty embarrassing. So yeah, I'm gonna head that way now. Supposed to meet up the guy right here at the shell. I think he's already here. Yeah, he said a brown 4-door GMC. So I'm guessing that one there.
Hey, give him a shout out. Yes, is on YouTube.
Again.
Yeah, hey, what's up? Shout out to the Blueberry channel.
Blueberry
channel.
¿Qué de qué es?
I'm trying to build my truck.
Oh, también?
Yeah, I just got my HD hood yesterday and it flew open. Smacked my whole windshield and...
What kind of truck is it?
02. Yeah, I dropped it. Trying to convert it right now. Got some billets on it. Apenas, huh? Yeah.
You got a picture of it?
Yeah.
Como dicen, pic or BS. What about you, man? You don't got a built truck? Not yet?
See the binder there. Yeah, they're right there.
Oh, you can see it. That's alright.
Yeah. Trying to see a ver cómo la puedo hacer para que se mire bien, pero if it's not one thing, it's another.
Está bueno.
Yeah. So
yo creo for sure voy a agarrar nomás el dash ahorita, güey.
Okay.
I'm gonna wait on these. But for sure want to... A ver si no se me vuela, güey. I'm gonna have to take it outside.
Oh. See? Oh. Take a look at it.
Yeah, está bueno, güey. Cause man, mine's all broken from all over the place.
Okay.
Nah, this one's good. Okay, I don't really care about the paint and all that. I'll get it painted again. Nomás el pedo, a ver.
I don't know how you want to put it.
Maybe behind my seat. You can't back up? Why? Man, that guy's tripping. He wants... That guy in front of me, he's complaining about que se quiere salir por aquí a fuerzas. A blueberry. Oh, bueno. I'm gonna have to just try to take my dash like this, cause I can't put it outside. It's gonna fly out. It won't fit behind my seat. Yeah, cuéntalo, show the sticker. Hey, that one?
Yeah, I still have
what is it?
some more parts you want to see in the truck.
What else? That way, if someone sees a video and they want like the mirrors.
Yeah.
Están los mirrors, if you want them, hit them up. La blueberry. Oh, tiene los tweeters, huh?
Yeah, it has the speakers and the boost speakers.
How much you want for these?
20 for both.
20 for both like that. ¿Qué más? Man, I really needed the switch, right?
For the side doors?
Yeah, because yo quemé el mío.
You don't have the switch for the side doors?
I do, but I already sold them to some dude for $30 for both of them. The driver and the passenger.
$30 for both?
So I'll give you the money right now.
He's there. The passenger and then
I need the driver, wait, because I just burned mine.
it's all four.
That's the one I had. Y yo lo que le hice, I broke some of these off. Y se quemó así, güey.
Damn.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Sí.
So you want to drive all the way over there?
Tell them que whoever bought them from you que estaban quebrados or something.
Damn.
He hasn't given me the money yet, but he wanted me later.
Or you guys there? I could sell you the 30 right now.
Yeah,
Or you
that's
guys there? Alright, so man, this was to me a pretty good deal, $30. The guy said it came off a Tahoe they had that was wrecked. So I'll take that for $30 and then the dash for 50. It's just kind of sketchy because I'm gonna have to take it up here. I don't know, it's gonna be a little bit hard to see, but can't risk this thing breaking. I have to just ride like all the way up here. Alright, let's go. I had to put my steering wheel up, put my seat up. Now I can see better. Made it back to the shop. The dash is not broken. I didn't even get a chance to do the dash swap, so I'm gonna try to do that another day. So I'm supposed to go meet up a guy right now because he has some wheels that I like for sale. I'm gonna see if they fit on this truck, but if not, I might put them on my Sierra, and maybe the ones on my Sierra put them on here. We'll see. Vayan las keys, güey, para quitarlos.
Yeah,
Sí. These are some 24s, intro IDs. I'm gonna go check out this guy's work. Yeah, I need a LS swap or something. You wanna say your name or anything?
Oh yeah, shit. It's JS Swaps, bro. So we do a little bit of everything: OBS, C10s, 40s, 60s, whatever, Impala, G-body, whatever y'all want. Ford, Dodge, we gotta swap everything.
I mean, he does V6 to V8 swaps. Can buy transmissions, all
Build
that.
transmissions, build rear ends, build motors. Right now, this is a factory harness. We gotta clean it all up. We just did the saddle for it right here. Extended harness, you know, weatherproof fuse box.
That's good, man, because a lot of people nomás te los hacen así and they don't
Yeah.
even protect it.
This is for N-2, so makes the engine bay look a whole lot clean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he does headers. You got headers over there in the back.
Yeah, we're putting a little 6.0 right here for a customer. A little 90s model OBS.
You guys know Q4?
Yeah, it's LQ4. We're gonna go with 243 heads, port and polish, cam kit. It's already got Melling's oil pump. And we put Thompson lifters in it. And then that's my boy's motor right there. It's a 5.3. We're just gonna re-put it all the way.
So y'all need some work, man. Hit him up. I'll put his Instagram on the video. I mean, he'll get like the electric fans and all
Yeah,
that.
doing a radio, electric fan, anything y'all need. Shit, build motor, build transmission, nitrous, turbo, whatever, we could do it.
That's what's up. So on this one, ¿qué más le falta a este? We poner todo el intake. And
Yeah, I gotta clean up the factory harness to make all his gauges work. I still gotta put that harness on there, assemble the radiator hoses, transmission lights are already on, transmission's on, intake, do the fuel work on it, and be ready to crank up. About 2 days.
Cool. You got that truck for sale or what?
This one's a customer's. I got this one over here for sale. I might do a giveaway on it. I'm not sure yet. If I do it, I might end up doing a LS3 swap on it. At least give it away with 500 horsepower at least.
Dang, at least.
At least. Gotta do minimum that.
What year is this one?
It's a 98. It's a GC. This got brand new paint, brand new hood, steel.
If you were to sell it, how much you want?
With the wheels, if I put a 5.7 in the stock, I probably like 10. It's got clean interior, everything. Depending on what I got in it with the swap, I don't know yet. But I mean, it hasn't even been sanded and buffed yet, and the paint match clean.
Yeah, it looks good already, man. It's okay. It's not sanded and buffed.
Factory color too. They didn't do no color change on it either. I already put the motor and transmission on it. And this one I'm gonna do everything all clean, merge harness. So
Everything. What does the interior look like?
oh, you go ahead and look right there, clean.
It's
All
clean.
electric.
That's a nice color, man. The tan with the green.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna drop them. I just put them little 22s on it for now. Billet.
Yeah.
About 22 by 11s in the rear. I gotta shorten the rear end a little bit.
So you can
Stick
tell.
out just a little bit.
Oh yeah.
That or I gotta machine the back of the wheels.
Or maybe with a tire that's a little bit thinner, no?
Yeah, también.
Or roll defender.
Yeah, but I think I'm gonna just shorten the differential so I could ride with a big tire. And it'll
Yeah.
be safe. And then también, if somebody wants to put some white slicks on it, whoever wins it, then you know they can take it to the track.
It's a nice color. I like this color.
Yeah.
I like this color too, man. This one's nice.
Yeah, that one right there just got here Friday. It'll be ready by next week.
¿Qué le va a hacer este?
5.3 motor and transmission.
Sí.
Yeah, he just had I think a V6 put in there. I haven't popped the hood on it, but he just had the motor put in there, man. They screwed him over. So we put a 5.3 in there.
What about that one over there?
That one right there, man, everything's getting redone on it. It's a 5.3 with a cam, dual transmission stall.
Yeah, that's a badass color too. Okay, it's like
It's
a brown
like a
though?
root beer. But after
Yeah.
this, we're sending it to paint. We're gonna get all ready for the show, and I think in January. When's the show? In January, huh?
The LST one?
Yeah.
That one's
We're
I
getting
think
ready for LST.
I think February. Got the interior done too.
We got some parts powder coater right there.
I like how it looks with these little wheels. Looks nice. Dang, so you basically do nothing but OBS's for right now, huh?
Well, I mean, shit, whatever comes. This is the color scheme we're going with the motor. That's powder
badass.
coated. Everything.
That is badass.
Yeah, so it's gonna be one of our little trucks that's gonna be at our booth whenever we go to truck shows.
That's what's up, man.
I got a YouTube channel también.
También?
Yeah,
Pues, if you want to show that on here too.
there's my Instagram right there. JS Swaps.
JS
713.
Swap 713.
Sir, we'll let a little bit of everything. Just do a little bit of everything. Disc brake conversions, whatever y'all need.
Pull up your YouTube.
Cleaned up the shop, fucking picked them up, and then we locked into them. Open them and said, oh, okay.
JS Swaps.
Go over
Take a
there.
subscribe. Oh, bueno. What y'all think about the wheels?
Mira el pinche turbo. ¿Cómo quedó?
¿Qué dices que le pasó, güey? ¿The heads se levantaron?
Se levantaron las heads, no le pusieron head studs ni ARP head bolts. Se levantaron las cabezas.
Más que no se pueden salir ahorita los. ¿Es este el que están batallando, no? ¿O es este? Oh, okay. They're trying to pull the wheels off, but he don't have the lock, so he lost one. Tienes uno, ¿verdad? Y
I have one, another one, I can't find it.
Alright, so yesterday he couldn't take off the back wheel, this one here, because one of the lug nuts was pretty stuck on there, so he had to hire somebody to try to take them off, and they couldn't do it. So al último, I think he said something about they broke either the lug nut or the stud, I'm not sure, But they were able to take them off, and they dropped them off for me. And they all look in good condition. I mean, they're dirty, and they probably have their little scratches here and there, but I'm not too concerned. And tires are still good. There's still a lot of tread. These look like they barely were ridden on. Yeah, they're just pretty dirty. Kind of look like my C10 wheels. That's how dirty they are. And I know some people are gonna be like, man, you should have got something with a bigger lip and this and that, but I already been through like cutting the differentials and all that on the truck, and I didn't want to do that to this one yet, or at least not for now. You know, I kind of just wanted to put something on it for the meanwhile, something different. I mean, the size of the lip, I think it's like a 4-inch. It's not too bad. I mean, yeah, it's small. There's some that have like 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch lips and all that, but for right now, I just wanted to do something where I didn't have to cut anything on the truck anymore. What do you guys think? So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks again to those that have bought merchandise, and everybody stay safe. You know, all these pandemic numbers are going up again, so yeah, be safe, man. Thanks for watching.